लास्ट लेक्चरला ज्या दोन डेफिनेशन्स बघितल्या आपण लास्ट पॉइंट मध्ये, the emissive power is equal to quantity of radiant heat emitted per unit area per unit time at the given temperature. हे वर्ड्स त्याला अटॅच करायचे. Also, the coefficient of emission is the ratio of emissive power of the body to the emissive power of a perfect black body at the given temperature. The unit of emissive power joule per meter square second. जर काही जणांना हे आठवत असेल, वॅट पर मीटर स्क्वेअर. In case of a perfect black body, all radiant heat it absorbs, also it emits that heat. Therefore, E is equal to 1 in case of a perfect black body. And in case of perfect reflector, no heat is absorbed. Therefore, no heat is emitted. E is equal to 0. And for all bodies, E, its value, it is greater than 0, less than 1. Means coefficient of emission lies between 0 and 1. In case of copper, its value is 0.3. Also, its value depends upon nature of the surface. In case of rough surface, its value is more, means close to 1. And in case of a polished surface, its value is less, means close to 0. Then Kirchhoff's law of radiation. हे कॉन्स्टंट टेम्परेचर एनक्लोजर आहे आणि त्याच्यामध्ये दोन बॉडीज आहेत, बॉडी ए अँड बॉडी बी. बॉडी ए इट इज ऑर्डिनरी बॉडी अँड बॉडी बी इट इज परफेक्ट ब्लॅक बॉडी. तर इथं आपण काय प्रूव्ह करणार आहे, द कोएफिशियंट ऑफ ऍब्सॉर्प्शन इज इक्वल टू कोएफिशियंट ऑफ इमिशन इन थर्मल इक्विलिब्रियम. हे एनक्लोजर जे आहे हे कॉन्स्टंट टेम्परेचर मेंटेन करण्यासाठी आहे. सपोज आर इमिसिव्ह पॉवर of ordinary body means quantity of radiant heat emitted per unit area per unit time by this body, and RB emissive power of body B means perfect black body, quantity of radiant heat emitted per unit area per unit time. In thermal equilibrium, suppose Q amount of heat incident on A means on ordinary body. We have definition of coefficient of absorption QA divided by Q. Therefore, QA it is equal to AQ. Heat absorbed by the ordinary body it is equal to AQ. As heat absorbed is equal to heat emitted, quantity of heat absorbed by the ordinary body AQ and heat emitted by that body emissive power R. Suppose equation number 1. In case of second body, suppose Q amount of heat incident on it. Black body it absorbs all amount of radiant heat. As and RB emissive power of black body. As heat absorbed is equal to heat emitted, Q is equal to RB. Suppose equation number 2. आता या इक्वेशनला यानं जर डिवाइड केलं क्यू आणि क्यू कॅन्सल होईल आणि इक्वेशन काय येईल ए इज इक्वल टू आर डिवायडेड बाय आर बी इट इज इक्वल टू ई means coefficient of absorption is equal to coefficient of emission. Heat absorbed by the body E, heat emitted by the body E. हे दोन इक्वेट केले. Heat incident on body B, absorbed by the body B, heat emitted by the body B. ते दोन इक्वेट केले. या दोन्हींचा रेशो घेतला. A is equal to E, coefficient of absorption is equal to coefficient of emission.